Today we'll be exploring a Southern California ranch that produced some of the most talented runners in the quarter horse racing industry. The ranch was primarily utilized for the racing industry, which included breeding, training, and layups. The ranch was equipped with a state-of-the-art training pool, as well as a training track. The ranch was capable of accommodating 750 animals, although it typically housed 350 horses on average. The grounds were home to about 150 mares, 100 yearlings, and about 100 racehorses in training. In June of 1989, JL purchased 153 acres in Southern California to establish this ranch. Unfortunately, JL passed away in 1996, giving his spouse and two daughters to continue operating the ranch after his passing. After years of successfully owning and operating the ranch, the family ultimately decided to sell the ranch. It became apparent that operating a ranch in Southern California was far too stressful and costly. Although they are still in business today, the family decided it was time to relocate. They had so much land out here, and I guess they couldn't keep up. So it looks like that over there used to be the racetrack at some point, and that's where they used to train the horses. And these are the stables in here. So I think that we're gonna walk that way and see what's over there and see what we find. The property was put up for sale in 2015 and has been abandoned ever since. It was extremely windy, and I remember driving down the long dirt road to the ranch, and I was really worried about the wind blowing through. I thought I wasn't going to be able to fly my drone due to high winds, so I waited for a break in the wind to send the drone up in the air, but it was short-lived. I wasn't able to get that buttery smooth drone footage I was hoping for. But I tried my best and still had fun doing it, and that's what's important. It was really sad to witness the current state of the ranch. It has been completely torn up and vandalized. So if you decide to come check this place out, please don't destroy anything. This is a really small bedroom. See a closet. Bathroom's just over there. Let's check out these views. Wow. This is pretty torn up. This may have been the master bathroom in here. Look at this. This looks like the living room area here. The main entrance here. It's really windy today. All these windows. It's really nice. Let's check out the backyard and the pool. It's really spacious. There's some palm trees out here. This looks really nice. Look at all that space. It's like a really nice pool. I mean, wow, look at these views. Must have been a really, really nice house. Second front yard. Let's go in here and see what we find. I think this may have been where the ranch workers may have lived at some point. Or it could have been used as an office at some point. There's some more stables right around there. That's the main residence here. And that's the other residence that we just went into. So let's go in here and check this one out. Kitchen here. This. Alright, so it looks like this used to be the track here. So to give you guys a glimpse. It's huge. That's where we just came from. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up here, so I'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace.